Hey guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming at you from the future. We're gonna go back in time to breakfast, but I thought I would film the intro now because I forgot. So today I'm doing a what I eat in a day, and I think this is gonna be a series, What I Ate Wednesday. So anytime I do a what I eat in a day, it will go up on Wednesday. I kind of just like alliteration. But basically I'm just gonna show you what I'm eating today. This is like the most basic day at home. We're busy doing a lot of work today, so a lot of the meals are just like really quick stuff that we're throwing together. And Greg is gonna make an appearance in this video because he just started a food page called Greg's Vegan Gourmet, so you guys should go follow him. But I think he'll be making some more appearances in my videos, so that's really exciting. So yeah, that is everything I have to say for now. So if you want to see what I eat in a day, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm gonna make my current favorite protein smoothie, like fruity protein smoothie, because I'm craving a fruity smoothie, but I just finished working out. It's super hot out, so I want something that's gonna be like super hydrating and delicious, but also has protein. So it's like about a quarter cup of orange juice and then just some unsweetened oat milk. So like half a cup, and I'm doing some vanilla protein. I'm gonna add some spinach, some frozen strawberries, 3/4-ish of a frozen banana. Gotta get the ratios right, and if I don't add strawberries, I add more banana. Not the most exciting ever, but it's my favorite breakfast. Keeps me super full and perfect for hot weather. Okay, so it's 11:40 and we're gonna make some lunch. So for lunch lately we've been having like breakfast sandwiches with just egg. These recently came to Canada and it's so good. We've been having them on these like fold over little wrap things. We have been having like little mini breakfast sausage things, but we just ran out, so we're just gonna do some Beyond sausage. So we're just gonna do one between the two of us because it's kind of a small sandwich. You don't need like a huge sausage, so we're gonna cut it in half and then cut those in half, and then it'll fit perfectly on the sandwich. I think there's smoothie on the ceiling. So yeah, the just egg is super easy. We just put it in the toaster. This is what they look like. The only thing I don't love about them is how expensive they are. So if you guys want something similar to just egg, but you don't want to pay the full price for this, I have a recipe, I'll link it below, for a just egg copycat that I made way before I tried it, and I can safely say it does taste very similar and like has a very similar texture to the just egg, like maybe 1/8 of the cost of these. So that's really good, and we're gonna start making it ourselves too, I think, because it's like a liquid form. It's not patties, so you can make patties with it, or you can also make like omelets with it. Saves you money, less waste, you know. I like to add some greens on mine, so I'm just gonna use spinach because that's what we have. And then we have this PC cauliflower queso style dip. This is pretty good. You can taste the cauliflower, and it's not like as cheesy as you might want. Very tangy. So I just threw that. I just put a little bit of this on my sandwich because it tastes so good. I'm gonna make coffee now too because I haven't had any and my head is pounding.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the greater.
Okay, so when I make this coffee, this is the syrup I use. Oh my god, it's almost gone. Anyway, this is just the sugar-free vanilla Tirani syrup. So I just do 2 pumps of that. 1 pump is half a tablespoon of milk. I'm trying to go fast because the camera's dying. Okay, my camera just died, so I switched to my phone. So the lighting and sound might be different. I have literally 4 cameras and all of them are dead, or like it's a whole thing. So I'm sorry, but we're gonna use my phone. So then I add my coffee, whoops, into the milk, which first of all looks so pretty, but that helps cool the coffee down. I talked about that in my last coffee shop video, before you put the ice in, so that the ice doesn't melt so fast and make your coffee watery. And then I have these awesome huge ice cubes. I'll link this ice cube tray or like a similar one below, because I always have people asking like where they can get huge ice cubes like this, and it's just, I'm pretty sure they're for like whiskey or something. That's how I make my vanilla iced latte macchiato. Okay, so I put the queso dip and then the just egg patty and then the sausage. See, it like fits perfectly when you cut it like that. And then I'm gonna add some ketchup because I'm obsessed with ketchup. Ta-da! Okay, so Greg's gonna make a like pesto-y sauce thing. This is another one of those PC products. And then he's gonna add some fresh basil to it. This is like a super quick hack for if you're ever making anything cashew based. You can just buy this. It's usually on sale for like $3, which is amazing. If it's not, it's kind of expensive. It's like $5.50, but it's a really good one because then you can either turn it into a cheese sauce, you can add spices to it, you can add herbs to it, and it's just such a good base for sauces. Ta-da! Oh my god, this looks so good. All right.
You ready?
Lead us through.
Do it. Lots of this.
He's wearing his golf hat today.
Preparing for tomorrow.
Yeah. Do you take the stems off?
Oh, I do sometimes. They're not enjoyable to eat.
Mmm. Okay, so this is our lunch plus coffee, but I'm using my coffee to hold up my phone, so we ended up going for a nice swim in the lake. My hair is like all curly now. Not curly, wavy. So it is 6:26. Okay, for dinner, we're having noodles, like vermicelli noodles, but they're not rice. They're potato starch and mung bean starch, and they're so good. I really like them. I've got some bok choy to go with them, and then this is some leftover like seitan nugget things with some sauce on it that Greg also made for his page. And then I also just have like the plain seitan that I'm going to chop up, mix with some shredded king oyster mushrooms and some cornstarch, and then like fry it in the pan until it's crispy. We'll have some green onion and basil like mixed in with the noodles, and then I'll show you the sauce that we've been making. It's like not, I don't even know if you'd call it a sauce. It's 3 ingredients, but I'll show you what that is when I cook the noodles. And yeah, then we just like throw everything in a bowl, throw some sweet chili on top, and it's our favorite meal ever. Okay, for the Seitan and mushrooms, I literally just like add the Seitan and mushrooms to a bowl, and then I just add a little bit of cornstarch to like coat it in somewhat of a breading, kind of. Got those. They only take about a minute, so they're super fast, and then we just drain them, put them back in the pot, and add the sauce. And then Greg's got his like crispy coated seitan there. This is the seitan and mushrooms, and then just frying our bok choy. Okay, so the sauce is just a little, like a teaspoon-ish of almond butter mixed with some oat milk And then it's so random, but we add this sweet and spicy Szechuan sauce. This honestly looks like such a weird, gross combination, but it's actually quite good on the noodles.
When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Iced tea with lemon is my new favorite thing. Like if I could drink iced coffee all day in the summer I would, but I can't, so I drink iced tea. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions and comments, leave them below. If you have any requests for future videos, definitely leave those below as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm at itslivb. If you're looking for more recipes, check out my website, itslivb.com, or either of my cookbooks. This is my new book, Live These Easy Every Day. It has a ton of sheet pan, one pot, and 5 ingredient recipes in it. So they're all just like super easy and budget friendly and delicious. So that is everything for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.